Page 88, Musette. You can read a Musette. It's about, has something to do with bagpipes. It's just wonderful. 4 lines long, no repeat sign, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. We got half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Got them all in here. We got staccatos and legatos. This should be interesting. When I first learn it, I'm going to connect everything. We'll add in the staccatos and stuff later. Let's take it first, one hand at a time, make sure we have the notes and rhythms and all. Starting up here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Measure 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Just quarter notes now. And the third line is the same as the first, and the last line is almost the same as the second. Left hand, we get the G and the B, the D, back and forth. I'm just rocking my hand back and forth. I'm just walking on the piano here. Then measure 3, same as what the right hand is doing. Okay, put the hands together. You're here, and these notes go together, and these notes. You're just trying to match up the notes to go together. Don't worry about hesitating. Just try and get these to work out. Then together. Same note names. Sometimes it's different fingers. And once you have the hands together, then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations anywhere. You keep it slow, it's fine. And then you might try the articulation. You're going to slur. A quick little lift up is all it is, and then the staccatos are short here. So. And I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off. This is measure 4, on the key and bounce off. If I have time, I always do that. You don't want to just come from. You don't want to just boom, boom, boom. If it's fast, you have to do this, but make it a real little motion. Don't come way up and hit the keyboard. Yeah. So that's the articulation, and then finally the dynamics go to the melody. In this case, it's the right hand. So loud, whatever you think loud is. The left hand's in the background. So it's sort of a medium loud to a medium soft in the background. 3 is soft. The left hand is very soft because the melody is still right hand here. I mean, I know they're playing the same notes. That doesn't mean it's melody though. The melody's in the right hand. The left hand is just playing the same notes. Keep the left. And the third line is the same as the first, loud, and the last line is soft again. Then finally the speed. Lively. Well, it's a happy piece, and not really super fast. So that's fine. It's fine. Let's play it together slowly after you've learned it and you're ready, just to check the notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'll do both hands about the same, but I will do the staccatos and legatos and stuff. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and.